Art history is being rewritten, not by historians, but by algorithms. By translating centuries-old pigment chemistry into digital patterns, we are uncovering the hidden revisions of legendary painters. Stay tuned to see how artificial intelligence is effectively bringing the ghosts of the Renaissance back to life today. Is it possible for a machine to see deeper into a painting than the human eye ever could? This is the story of how neural networks are revealing the shocking secrets buried under layers of paint. We start with the invisible layers of the past. Neural rendering techniques are now seeing through centuries of physical decay. The latest 2026 neural rendering breakthroughs allow us to map the molecular structure of art without ever touching the canvas. Imagine being able to peel back 500 years of history with a single line of code. X-ray fluorescence data is now being fed into deep learning models to map what we call ghost paintings. These are works that were once painted over, lost to time, and now rediscovered by the algorithmic eye. These discoveries are forcing art historians to rethink the biographies of the most legendary masters in history. Every stroke we thought we knew is being re-evaluated through the lens of pure data. But how does it work? It all starts with the transition from pigment chemistry to neural logic. AI can now translate the chemical signature of 17th century lead white paint into a unique digital fingerprint. This fingerprint acts as a timestamp, proving when and where a painting was truly created. Computer vision identifies the specific hand of an artist based on micro-fluctuations in their brush speed. No two artists paint exactly the same way. The machine sees the hesitation, the confidence, and the rhythm. We are bridging the gap between the physical canvas and the algorithmic reconstruction of the original workspace. We can now virtually stand where the masters stood, seeing the world as they did through their pigments. This leads us to the first drafts of genius, the secrets that artists thought they had hidden forever. The machine reveals pentimenti, or hidden corrections, showing how a masterpiece evolved from a rough sketch. Every change of heart, every correction, and every second thought is now visible to us. We are analyzing radical compositional shifts, where artists completely painted over entire figures to satisfy their patrons. In the past, a patron's whim could change the course of art history. Now, we can see what was deleted. Generative AI is even being used to fill in the gaps of lost fragments based on established stylistic patterns. By learning the DNA of an artist's style, the machine can predict how they would have finished a broken work. This is quite literally rewriting the art history books as we know them. Recent 2026 breakthroughs have identified misattributed works in major global galleries. Paintings thought to be by students are being revealed as true masterpieces, and vice versa. But this isn't without controversy. The rise of code-proofing art is challenging human expertise. Can an algorithm really challenge a human expert on the authenticity of a single brushstroke? Digital restoration is providing a non-invasive way to view art as it appeared the day it left the studio. We can now experience masterpieces without the risk of damaging the physical artifact. The future of our creative legacy is at a crossroads. How far should we go? There are massive ethical implications in using AI to complete unfinished works left by deceased masters. Is it still the artist's work if a machine finished the last 10%? We are moving toward digital archives, where every layer of a painting is preserved in a permanent virtual state. These virtual multidimensional states ensure that no artistic secret stays buried forever. The marriage of 500-year-old oils and modern code is a testament to our enduring curiosity. We are no longer just looking at art. We are finally beginning to understand it. Every secret, every hidden layer, and every lost intention is being brought back to the light. Let's look at a specific case study from 2026. A forgotten portrait in a private collection was scanned using these new techniques. Beneath the surface of this merchant, AI found a completely different person, a younger man with features that match a lost relative of the artist. This single discovery corrected 3 centuries of genealogical records and changed our understanding of the artist's personal life. The neural rendering isn't just seeing the surface, it's calculating the depth and pressure of every single stroke. We are now able to see colors that have been obscured by chemical changes for 500 years. The pigment pulse is the heartbeat of this new art history. It's the rhythm of the past meeting the logic of the future. This technology is being shared globally, creating a unified digital archive of human creativity. Now, a student anywhere in the world can study the microscopic detail of a masterpiece that never leaves its home in Europe. But the final secret isn't in the paint, it's in the intention. Why did they hide these things? Sometimes the machine reveals things that were never meant to be seen. A private note, a hidden symbol, a cry for help. We are granting these works a form of digital immortality, a way to live on long after the physical canvas has crumbled. Preserved in code, these stories will never be lost again. This is the promise of the intersection of art and AI. Faces of the past, brought back to the light by the code of the future. Our history is no longer just in the books, it's in the machines, and it's more alive than ever. The marriage of 500 years of oil and modern code is just the beginning. Every secret is a signature, every code is a story. Stay curious, preserving our past to build our future. This is our creative legacy. And there you have it. Tech stories from List Nicely. Subscribe for more.